The Sealion 7's passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset crash test. Dummy data showed strong protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and front passenger. BYD demonstrated that this level of protection would also apply to occupants of different sizes and seating positions. Test analysis, looking at the impact trolley's deceleration and the deformable barrier, suggested the Sealion 7 would be a relatively safe collision partner in frontal crashes. In the full-width rigid barrier test, chest protection for the rear passenger was rated as weak due to high compression readings. However, protection for the driver was good across all critical areas. In both the side barrier and more severe side pole tests, protection for all vital body regions was rated as good, earning the vehicle top marks in this category. Body movement across the cabin in side impacts, excursion, was adequately controlled. The center airbag, designed to prevent contact between front occupants during side crashes, performed well and protected both heads effectively. Front seat and head restraint tests showed strong whiplash protection in rear-end impacts, which was also supported by a favorable geometric assessment of the rear seats. The Sealion 7 is equipped with an advanced e-call system to alert emergency services in a crash and includes automatic post-collision braking to reduce the risk of secondary impacts. In both the frontal offset and side barrier crash tests, the Sealion 7 provided strong protection for all key body areas of the 10-year-old and 6-year-old dummies, earning full points in this category. The front passenger airbag can be deactivated to safely fit a rear-facing child seat, with clear indicators alerting the driver to the airbag status, an approach that earned recognition in the assessment. All child restraints designed for the vehicle could be correctly installed and used without issue. The Sealion 7 also features a direct child presence detection system, which warns the driver if a child or infant is left inside the vehicle. Head protection for pedestrians and cyclists was generally adequate, though poor results were noted around the stiff windscreen pillars in lower areas. Pelvis protection was mostly good, while protection for the femur, knee, and tibia was inconsistent. The Sealion 7's autonomous emergency braking system can detect both vulnerable road users and vehicles. It performed well in pedestrian and cyclist scenarios, but offered only marginal protection for people behind the car. Its response to motorcyclists was strong, earning full marks. However, the system showed limited effectiveness in preventing dooring incidents, where a car door opens into a cyclist's path. The autonomous emergency braking system performed well in tests involving other vehicles. The lane support system provides gentle steering corrections if the car begins to drift and can act more forcefully in critical situations. The speed assistance system detects local speed limits and displays them to the driver, allowing accurate use of the speed limiter. Seatbelt reminders are standard for all seats. The vehicle also includes a built-in driver monitoring system that detects fatigue and certain types of distraction.